have a spotlight on the stage right. Thank you very much. Before Taking Back Sunday and Weezer joined the tour, we were on tour with Panic at the Disco and Fall Out Boy. Don't you say that. And as a going-away present, our friends in Panic at the Disco gave me a bass guitar. As a matter of fact, it was this very bass guitar right here that Panic at the Disco gave us. And I want to say thank you very much to Panic at the Disco for being on our tour. But most of all, I want to say thank you very much to the Atlantic Ocean for being on our tour.